you looking at? Oh, he just flew away. Oh, there's a cardinal. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Oh, no, he's gone again. Oh, that's a blue jay. Wow, there's a lot of people out there, huh? Yeah, you guys watching the birdies? Okay, I could have swore that was the red belly. That's the blue jay. Can you come over here without everybody freaking out? Yeah, hi Freya. Hi Caradwin. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, that's, I think, a finch. Yeah, what is it, Caradwin? Yeah, she's looking at me accusingly. Hi. Yes. Well, Freya. There's the cardinal. I know, it's so cold, huh? There's my neighbor. Alright, I could have swore the red belly was out there. But maybe not. Yeah. What? Are you sitting on my foot? Yeah. Freya. Hi. Yeah. Oh, no, it had to have been the blue jay. Ooh, he is trying. He's so trying. Oh, had to have been the blue jay. The red belly usually, if he comes, he sticks around for a while. Definitely female cardinal, male cardinal. Juncos. I saw a junco before. Finches. Very cool.